Let's learn how to play C on the clarinet. The first C that we always learn on clarinet is below the staff. It's below the bottom line of the staff and it has one ledger line going through it. That's what we call our low C. Now the clarinet can also play higher Cs, like this one in the staff, and this really high one above the staff. The C we're going to learn in this lesson is the C below the staff. This is the one that every beginner starts with. So we look at our fingering chart. Our fingering chart is a picture of all of the keys on our clarinet. And you'll remember in an earlier lesson we learned about our home keys. That means every finger has a key that it belongs to on the clarinet. The keys that are colored in are the ones that we press down on our home keys. So looking at our fingering chart for this note, C, we can see that we press down on our left hand, our thumb in the back, our first finger, our second finger, and our third finger. And those are the only keys that we press down for this note. So pressing down thumb, 1, 2, 3, we're going to make a good band face, sit up with proper posture, and we're going to play our C. If you tried to play this note and it didn't work, or maybe it didn't sound like mine, let's go through our checklist of things to check. First, make sure your fingers are on the correct home keys. Thumb on the hole in the back, and then the 3 holes in the front, 1, 2, 3. Those are the home keys we use for C. Next, check to make sure that you're using curved hands, curved fingers, and you're not accidentally squishing down and hitting any of these side keys. If you accidentally hit keys that you're not supposed to hit, the note won't work. So that's checklist number 2. Next on our checklist, we want to make sure that our fingertips, this sort of flat part of your finger on the opposite side of your fingernail, is completely covering the hole. If any air is leaking out on any of the holes, the note won't work. So just double check that we've got our fingertips centered and the hole is completely covered. The fourth item on our checklist is something you should check every time you're playing a note on the clarinet. Make sure you're sitting with proper posture, proper hand position, proper embouchure, or your band face, and you're taking a nice deep breath and sustaining the note with good air. So that's how we play a low C below the staff on the clarinet. To learn more notes on your clarinet, check out our other clarinet tutorials. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.